Good morning, it's Scott Dunnage Garage. Welcome back to the channel. In this week's video, we're going to be taking care of some minor projects with a square drop camper that we're getting ready to rent. And then we'll also talk about the overland adventure trailer that we've been building over the last couple years. Stay tuned. First thing we're doing is getting the tan camper towed ready for rental. The second thing we're doing is getting the black adventure trailer ready for the Alaska trip. So what that means for towed is packing the bearings, getting it all cleaned up, fixing the rear struts on the liftgate. Small projects, not enough to justify a video. The adventure trailer, however, that needs a little bit more. Not only does it need its bearings packed, it needs the tail lights relocated and the entire trailer rewired. It needs new tires and wheels to match what's on the JK, so we have additional spares for my JK. We need a location to mount a spare tire for Randy's Jeep, the JL, because it's a different style bolt pattern. So we're putting the rack back on, but one of the issues we have is with a 35-inch tire from the Jeep, there's no room in here. So what we're going to do is shorten this rack so we can put the 35 in the front. Not only that, we need to have a place to mount fuel. Lots of fuel. I'm bringing 3 roto packs for fuel. Randy's bringing 3 jerry cans for fuel. We have a propane bottle and then just other equipment to go with us on this trip. So a lot of modifications. Yeah. Where we got that at? Yeah.
See if it doesn't work on the other side.
Don't know why it wouldn't. What wasn't anticipated with prepping the trailer for the Alaska trip was Shara and I deciding and committing to the adventure trailer rental business and purchasing 2 additional trailers. Exciting times for the channel, exciting times for Shara and I, but that now means we're no longer taking the overland adventure trailer with us to Alaska. And yes, I know I need to come up with a name for that trailer because I don't even know what to call it. But we'll be taking the outbound trailer, which we'll introduce in the upcoming weeks, and we'll be taking the Sunnyside Booney Stomper with us. That trailer we'll introduce to you next month sometime. A lot of things happening. So now we're gonna put the utility trailer into storage because it's almost done, and we pick up the outbound next week. Then we got to get that prepped and ready for rental. And we got to get it prepped and ready to go to Alaska, because that's the big first maiden voyage for us, is taking it to Alaska. Randy will be towing that one. We need to come up with a way to store a lot of gas on it, and yeah, fun times. And when we take delivery of the Booney Stomper from Sunnyside at Moore Overland Expo, I need to rush prep that one for the Alaska trip. And once we get back from Alaska, both those trailers would be available to rent for your adventures. Just wrapped up all the maintenance on the Geo Pro camper. It's ready to rent. So if you want to rent that, head to www.dunnagegarage.com and there'll be links there. Let's look at what you really want to see though, and that is this little adventure trailer. Remember, this thing started out as a Lowe's trailer, and we've just been building on it for the last couple years. Really happy with the way it turned out. I know better than to say it's done, because they're never done. With that, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You have a blessed day. Remember, life's an adventure. Go live it. And if you're looking to go on an adventure of your own and need a camper, check out Dunnage Garage. Have a blessed day.